Lean manufacturing tools for problem solving. In this session, we shall discuss about important lean tools for problem solving in an organization. We shall discuss here Gemba, Poka-yoke, root cause analysis, and Anden. Let us discuss about Gemba first. In Japanese parlance, Genba means the crime scene. This Genba has got transformed in English as Gemba. The detectives and police often refer to the place of crime, accident, or such occurrences as Gemba. In manufacturing terminology, Gemba means the place where the production is going on, or the shop floor. In lean methodology, going to the Gemba, or Gemba walk means going to the actual place of work, that is, leaving the cozy office and reaching the place where the real action occurs. There are a few fundamental approaches to conducting a Gemba walk. The first is to observe, don't correct. Gemba walk is not for taking corrective action. The operators know their job. Your motto is to observe and give respect. Second is to seek to understand. You observe and try to understand what is going on. A few questions will pass through your mind. What are the other aspects which are associated with this? What are the other equipment and ancillary process that are also connected to the process? Ask questions to the operators and get to know more about the process. The third is to understand the value-adding activities. What is that is working for the process, that the value is added in the process? How the process and equipment, or the parts are connected to the entire system. Understand that the idea is to learn what really is going on, and how that is adding value to the entire ecosystem of that particular process. And the idea is not to find fault and jump to a conclusion. The elements of observations during the Gemba walk will play a vital role in problem solving. Gemba walk helps in many ways. Gemba walk promotes a deep and thorough understanding of the real-world manufacturing issues. This promotes first-hand information gathering and no assumption-based decisions. This also facilitates discussion of lean practitioners with the shop floor operators who know the process well. So, as a lean and process improvement practitioner, you shall facilitate the innovation of the tools and processes after discussion with the shop floor operators.
End of the session.